with her friend. I'm on Monday Street, Wilkes-Barre, Monday Street. I'm in Wilkes-Barre, Monday. Wilkes-Barre, Monday Street. Going down the hill. I'm gonna take Oreo for a walk. We're gonna go end up walking a little bit. Me and him. Me and Oreo. Right, Oreo? We're going for a walk, Oreo? Yes. Yeah, right? Okay. So we're going this way. Yes. I got the leash. Right, Oreo? Don't I got your leash, Oreo? Okay, not yet, Oreo. Go to the back. Go to the back. Good boy. I got the puppy's leash on me now. So when we get off the car, we just go directly on walking. Right, baby? Right, Oreo? Yeah? Yes. I would show Oreo, but you know, I don't know how to flip this camera over. Okay, right here, we're gonna make a left. I made a turn on Spring Street over there, and then I made a turn on that street over there. I don't know the name of it. And then I turned into this one right here, Scott Street. This one is Scott Street. This one, Scott Street. Scott Street, and I'm going straight up. I'm on the corner of Wilkes-Barre Boulevard. It's Scott Street. It starts getting dark. I hope it doesn't get too very dark by the time we get to the park. I hope I'm able to take a video of the park, a little bit of video of the park within this video, and then post it. So I hope it's still visible by the time we get to the park. It's only about 3 more minutes to get to the park. I'm not sure. Maybe less. I'm not sure. Whoa! I'm gonna pass this light. I passed it. I'm not supposed to pass the yellow light. I'm supposed to stop right on the yellow light. The yellow light. Well, my rule is stop on yellow, so I don't have to worry about go slowly on yellow and get ready to stop on red. My rule is stop on yellow. This way I put my brakes on yellow and release brakes slowly until I get to red. Until I get to the red light. So you could tell it's nighttime already, almost nighttime, because that light, that sign over there, that sign it's already light up, and you could tell the brightness compared to the day, compared to the rest of the video, the daylight. So it start getting light, it start getting dark. It's almost nighttime. So, this is the corner of Main Street and North Street. That corner back there, because I think this is North Street right here. This avenue, I'm not sure. I never really took a video of this or this avenue. I don't think put attention to this avenue right here. But yeah, this is North. Yes. So I'm in the corner of North and River Street. That light is for River Street. That white car and the black car that just passed, and the white car that's making a turn, they're going into River Street. And I'm gonna go across. And as soon as I go across that light, it becomes Pierce Street. It becomes Pierce Street Bridge. No, this is to North Street, but I don't know if it's North Street up into right here yet, because this bridge they call it Pierce Street Bridge. The name of the bridge is supposed to be Pierce Street Bridge, right here. Because right now we're on Pierce Street now, and this is Pierce Street now, right here. So I don't know if that's the beginning of the bridge, the street, or starts from the beginning of the bridge over there as soon as we pass that light. But yeah, oh, I turn into this avenue, this street right here. It leads me right into the park, and Ori already knows we're almost there in the park, so he gets so excited. I forgot the name of this street right here. I'll check the name. Dawes Street. Dawes. D-A-W-E-S. Dawes. Is that I don't know if that's how it's pronounced. Dawes Street. Dawes Street. North Dawes Avenue. North Dawes Avenue. D-A-W-E-S. It's avenue. It's not a street. It's avenue. I never really put attention to these avenues and streets. I just know how to get there. And I passed through them. Many times. Now I'm in the corner of I'm on this street. It's called Dawes Avenue. It's called Dawes Avenue right here. These two call it Dawes Avenue. So we're fine. That's the park right there in front of us. We're gonna park over there in front of that white car right there. In front of that white car, right there. We're gonna park in front of it. And I hope I'm hoping to be able to take the camera with me, so we could. Well, I'm gonna take the camera, but I'm saying I'm hoping I'll be able to take some video with the camera from here. Right? Let's see. So we're gonna park right here. Very quick, very quick. We park right here, right, Oreo? Go to the back, Oreo. Stay by that, okay? Hold on, Oreo. It's taking me a little time because there's people with dogs are coming this way. I could see them in the view mirror of my car, and I don't wanna encounter no dogs, no other dogs. I don't wanna have my dog to run into a problem with other dogs. Right, Oreo? We don't want that, right? No. We don't want that. Oh, okay, I'm gonna stop this video right here because it's a hassle for me to fix it up. I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to record some of the park. Okay, that's Market Street Bridge right there. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes if you like my videos. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Oreo. Say bye bye. All right. We're going for a walk right there. Say bye bye.